Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. I review a ton of eyeshadow palettes and today's video is no exception. So I'm a little bit behind with this one. It has been out for a while, but it's so beautiful, so I had to hop on camera and play with it for the first time. So today's palette is the Fade Into Hue palette by Colourpop. It is a mega palette. It has 30 shades. It is $34 and it's so popular that it's sold out right now. So I do feel bad hopping on camera talking about makeup that's sold out, but they do have a little area on the website where you can put your email in to be notified when it comes back, and I think it's so popular they definitely have to bring it back. Hopefully, Colourpop, please bring it back. So before I show you guys this palette, I want to give back to my Colourpop lovers, so I have a couple Colourpop items that I'm gonna pop into a giveaway for one of you guys today. So first up, I have the 4-piece roller gloss set. This is the Roll With It roller gloss set. Throwback, very cute to pop in your bag. And then also I have the rainbow gel liners that came with this palette because I already do have most of the liners, the gel cream gel liners in my collection already, so I would rather give this back than swatch this for you guys today. So if you guys want to enter to win these two products, then make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment down below with some method of contacting you. It can be an Instagram handle or an email address so that I can DM you or message you so that I can send you your prize. And that's it, so let's get into talking about this palette. So the packaging is flawless in my mind. The only thing I wish is that it did have a mirror. This palette does not have a mirror, but oh my god, I just can't wait to touch these. I haven't even touched these yet. I'm going to do my eye makeup first and then swatch this entire thing. But this palette is crazy beautiful. It has 30 shades. It's got like every color of the rainbow, obviously, and some of these are beautiful pressed glitters. Some are matte, some are shimmers, and some are the matte with like the micro glitter in it. So we'll get into that with the swatches, but I honestly have no idea what I want to do for my makeup today. I definitely think I want to like dip into these beautiful hot pinks, but I mean, it's a rainbow palette. It's the perfect opportunity to do a rainbow eye look. So zooming you guys in, hopefully I don't have too much creasing going on or anything on my eyelids. I have concealer down with a little bit of powder. So what I'm going to do is go into the shade Treasure, which is a matte peach. And since this is kind of similar to my skin tone, I'm going to use this as my transition shade. This past summer, I really went crazy with rainbow eye looks. So I've done quite a few on my Instagram, on YouTube, and I actually have quite a few rainbow palettes in my collection now. But I love Colourpop's mega palettes because, especially for beginners, they're so great for having everything that you need in one. And it's definitely great to have one rainbow palette that has every color that you might want to dive into. So I am just fluffing this into my crease really lazily with a Sigma E40 brush, just so we don't have any wrinkles, creasing, anything gross happening. I'm not sure if I want to do a cut crease today or like a watercolor type look. That's kind of in my mind, like watercolor would be beautiful. So I think I do want to focus in on these pastels. So there's like a pastel pink, pastel peach, pastel blue, and yellow with a little shimmer. So we're just gonna see what I can come up with today. So if you guys see me rotate between these brushes, they're all E25s or E27s from Sigma. I'm just gonna pick a clean brush for each color that I use. So the first shade I'm gonna pick up is called Big Smile, and Big Smile is a yellow, but it does have a micro glitter in it. So it's almost like a matte yellow, a matte glittery yellow, if that makes sense. And I don't know why, but this is like gravitating towards the center of my lid. I was gonna put it on the inside, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the center. And we're gonna start, like, I don't even know, like this is not even a technique. Hopefully we get a cute look from whatever I'm doing. All right, so we're gonna tap like a little sunburst in the center of each eye. Then I think on the inside, I'm gonna go with green. I really don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna go into the shade Designer. It's the same textured shadow, like it's a matte, but it has the micro glitter in it. So this is like a pastel lime. And there's a lot of fallout or pickup, you'd call it, with this shade, like a lot. The pigment of the yellow was good, so hopefully this is also good. This is gonna go on the inner corner, blended with that yellow. There's so many glitters in here too, like pressed glitters, and like if you're not a fan, then you're probably not gonna like this palette, but I am a fan. I tell you guys all the time, I love a pressed glitter. Taking another white brush, we're gonna hop over to the pink. This one is called Lovecraft, and this is gonna go on the outside of that yellow. This has a little less fallout. This would make a beautiful blush color. Guys, should I even do the one dip challenge? Have you seen that? Like you're allowed to dip into your product once for everything. For foundation, for blush, for highlighter. I don't know. I feel like I don't know if I'd be able to do it. So I'm starting to get like an accumulation of fallout on my cheekbone, and I'm just hoping that it doesn't ruin my makeup and therefore ruin my day. This pink is beautiful out here. I think I might be okay because I did use translucent powder under my eyes today. I rarely do, but I'm glad I did today. And you guys know me, I love like a one color blown out look. So when I find a color like this, I can picture myself just using this pink. I think in order to utilize this palette a little bit more, I'm gonna have to use some of the pressed glitters. As much as my heart desires to stick to an all matte look. I feel like this lime green, yellow, and pink is reminding me of something, but I cannot think of what. But I'm gonna start adding some shimmer just because why not? I'm going up into the shimmery pink. This is an Anastasia flat brush, and this is called Fantasyland. And Fantasyland's gonna go on the brow bone. And I'm like kind of letting it fall down onto the matte shades. So we're gonna try something different because this is a playful video, who cares? I'm gonna go into the pastel blue called Take It Easel, and hopefully this does not make me look crazy. It might until the lashes go on. So this is gonna go on the inner portion of my lower lash line. My wrinkles under here are a little crazy today because I did use translucent powder. And once that pastel blue is down, I'm gonna hop over to the pastel purple called Selfie. And this is a purple matte with the micro glitter. And I figured purple and pink will blend, so purple is gonna go on the outer portion of that lower lash line. With the brush that the pink was on, we are gonna blend the pink and the purple together, kind of blown out in the outer corner. And I'm gonna take the shade Kaleidoscope, such a stunning glitter, and I'm just gonna pick it up with the tip of this Anastasia brush. You can use your finger, but I can't really get my finger in the precise areas under my eye. But I'm gonna pop this into the center, kind of like a glitter tear. Just very minimal glitter tears, if you will. I cannot wait to swatch this for you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna pop on some lashes out of the Lash Vault that Colourpop has for the holidays this year. I just have to pick which ones I want. I think I'm gonna go with this style right here, that's Lovebird. So let me pop on my lashes, and then we're gonna be right back to swatch this entire palette, and I'm so excited. All right, so lashes are on, and I actually think this look is really cute. I don't know, it's reminding me of like cotton candy, or like that candy emoji, the little lollipop emoji. It reminds me of that. Very, very adorable. So it's time, moment of truth. We're gonna swatch each one of these one by one. It might be a little tedious. I will try to get through it as quickly as I can. I'm not doing them on my arm. I'm gonna do them one by one here for you guys. So let's get into swatching. So this is crazy, you guys. This is one of the only palettes that I have swatched, and I've swatched a lot of palettes, that is colorful and swatches consistently throughout the entire thing. So these mattes are not to be slept on. They seem like they're going to pack a punch. They're going to be pigmented. Hopefully they are going to show up on deeper skin tones. That is an important aspect of a colorful palette. So far, so good, because those swatches were consistent, they were pigmented, they were beautiful, and everything blended together really easily when I used the shadows that I used on my eyes today. So yeah, you guys, I am very impressed with this Fade Into Hue palette. If you guys have not picked it up already and you're considering it, I highly recommend it. I'm pretty sure this is either a reworking or a replacement for their rainbow palette that they had previously. This is no joke. Like, this is some high quality for $34. On top of that, I do have a discount code now, an affiliate code with Colourpop. It is code Kendall, and you can save 10% off of your purchase. So if you guys are interested and you're shopping around for the holidays, don't forget you can use that code if you want to. So I will link this down below if you guys are interested in shopping for this. It will bring you to an email sign up if it's still out of stock, but I do hope that it comes back before Christmas, because this would make an amazing gift. And so far, I love everything about this palette. So yeah, that is all that I have to say for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed and that this was helpful for those of you who might have been wondering about this palette. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here so you don't miss out on future videos. I do have a Colourpop playlist if you're only into Colourpop, but I do review a ton of new makeup over here. So always feel free to drop me a comment if you have any requests for any reviews that you want to see, and hopefully I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye, guys.